Christina, thank you. There's been ongoing controversy over an air raid siren in Holyoke, and it's said to be historic by locals. 22 News reporter Areta Odaya live in studio this evening with how this all got started.
Next, 2 city councilors are fighting for what they believe in, and that's the traditions of the siren in Holyoke. The warehouse is known as a banquet hall in Holyoke with historic pieces to be found. And this World War II siren has caused quite the stir.
There used to be a half a dozen of them around the city. They were located on all the fire stations. And sometime in the 50s, at the end of the Cold War, they discontinued.
The former owner of the warehouse, Jim Curran, kept this last siren standing strong before he passed away in 2021. Traditionally, every Friday at noon, the siren would echo for miles. But a few weeks ago, a complaint caused city officials to stop the noise completely.
We want the tradition of the siren back. It's really pretty simple. You know, it was a Holyoke tradition and something that Jimmy Curran put his heart and soul in.
One local who preferred to be off camera tells me that he, quote, hates the siren and says he hides in a building until the noise stops. While another tells me that he lives adjacent to the siren, but barely notices it.
It's like a high pitch and then like low and then high again, but not that it bothers or nothing like that.
And both city councilors brought changes to the existing noise ordinance in a meeting Tuesday, hoping for a happy medium among everyone.
This will be exclusion number 11, which would allow for the sounding of a horn for up to 3 minutes one time in every 7-day period.
Now it's up to the ordinance committee for their review and recommendation. And as for a timeline, it is unclear when the committee will give their final say on the ordinance, but stick with 22 News for any updates. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.